when the child is alienated, he loses one parent completely. That causes, in many cases, for him to misunderstand the responsibilities of parents to children, and that will repeat itself when he becomes a parent, if he becomes a parent. These children, these youngsters, are far more likely to seek compensation in activities that we regard as being inappropriate. I've heard talks by adults who, as children, were alienated, about although they had reconciled with the alienated parent, the devastating effect it had on them in terms of their ability to form relationships in the future. And that's without mentioning those children who unfortunately develop psychological and psychiatric problems. You take a child whose life at home is messed up. This is a child who's going to act out in school, or he's going to sit in the back of the class because he's too worried about what's going on at home, so he's not going to learn. That's going to affect his educational achievements, which are going to affect his likelihood of getting employed and getting a decent job, which costs money to the state because he's going to be paying less taxes, or he's going to be on the dole. A child who gets involved in crime because he's addicted to drugs and needs to fund his drug habit, then as well as the damage to his health because of drugs, he is going to be committing crimes. That means that the police and the prosecution and the courts and the probation officers and the prison service are all going to be involved, and they're going to be shoving out large quantities of money in treating these problems and the problems that are caused to the children of these people. So there's a good economic reason for prevention, like in any public health issue, but it comes into full force.